Hello students, let us continue the lesson. So, lesson name is Fun with Paint, and the next point is resizing or skewing the picture. How to resize the picture and how to skew the picture in MS Paint. Resize in the sense changing the size of a picture, like in a size wise also you can change, and in a view also you can change the size. Okay, means if image is big and if you want to make it small, then you can use this resize option to increase or decrease the size of a picture. Okay, and if your picture, if it is in MB and if you want to make it in KB, means in a kilobytes, you can change the size. So that also I'll show you how to do that all. And before continuing this point, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally in the following way. Okay, here they are given steps. So by following these steps, we can change the size of a picture. Changing the size means if you want to increase the size, you can increase also, and if you want to decrease the size, you can decrease also. So how to do that? So that we will see. And before going to this point, so let me open a paint. Go to run, and in a run just type MS Paint. Paint window gets open, and here we need one picture. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open one picture from my system. So let me click on open button to open the picture. So my picture, I'll go to pictures option, then let me take this cola image. Okay, click on open. Okay, so this is the image. Now how to decrease the size of this picture? Okay, now we are using the scroll bars to move up and down. Okay, so how it can be done? Okay, see, first of all, see the first point, select the drawing by covering its boundary using the select tool. Okay, so click on select tool and select all option. You can choose, then entire image will be selected. You can see here, you can see this boundary of this image. You can see dotted lines or dash lines. Okay, so this dash line indicates this image has been selected. So once the image gets selected, then you can copy, you can delete, you can move, or you can resize also. Next point, select the resize option in the image group on the home tab. Then specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to your requirement. Click on OK button. Okay, so practically you see here, you will observe on a home tab here you have a resize option, and this resize option is given in a image group. So first click on resize option. When you click on resize option, here you will get a resize and skew dialog box, and they are given percentage and pixels. How you want to resize means you want to specify the value in a percentage, or whether you want to specify the value in pixels, you can mention. Okay, so I'll select percentage and I want to reduce the size. So in both horizontal and vertical, if you want to enter same values, then so this checkbox you keep it checked. Okay, and if you remove this checkbox, then in a horizontal and vertical boxes you can enter different values. And if this checkbox is checked, then in both the text boxes values remain same, value remains same. See here, if I enter 50 in a horizontal, in a vertical also it comes 50, because here maintain aspect ratio option is selected, means both the values remain same when this box is checked. Okay, then you click on OK button and see the size of the image. And before that you can observe here also, see here it is 762 KB, the size of this image is 762 KB. So now we are going to reduce the size horizontally and vertically, then click on OK button. Okay, so you might be seeing still it is 762 only it is displaying, but let me save this file. Okay, now I pressed Ctrl S button to save the file. So 752 to 115, the size of that file the size of that image got reduced from 755 to 150. Okay. So in this way you can resize the picture. And if you want to skew, then again go to, okay, first you need to select the image. Okay, click on rectangular selection, and here you use this. Okay, so let me correct. Okay, okay, here, so I'm using rectangular tool, select the picture, then go to resize option, and in a skew, in which degree you want to enter, from 1 to minus till 89 you can give the values. I'll enter 30 horizontal, 30 degree I want to rotate. Okay, see, 30 degree it rotated. Okay, means just it is called as not rotation, it is called as skew. Okay, so it is skewed by 30 degree. So in this way you can use that skew option. So these are the two options to use to resize the picture. You can use this resize and skew option. Okay, and I hope you have understood this point, and if you have any questions you can ask during the online classes. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.